Principal University College of Science, Professor Sudarshan Garu, my senior colleague, Professor Ratnakar Garu, man of the day, Professor Vijay Kumar Garu, Professor Narsingh Rao Garu, Professor Veeraya Garu, Dr. Linda Prabhakar, Dr. Mathur, my young colleagues, family members of Professor Vijay Kumar, Mr. Balraj, Mr. Satyanarayana, research scholars, my student friends. We study unconformity in geology. When we were research scholars, we used to celebrate such functions. But after a long time, I think there was some unconformity. Today we are celebrating such a function. We talk about human resources. Human resources with human values. That's what we are seeing today in our research scholars. They have arranged a felicitation function not only to the teacher, but our staff who are retiring, and they have invited their family members. Yes, you have human values. There was some interview when the state was dividing. Some newspaper interviewed some Andhra housewives. They said, we like Telangana people because they have human values. We'll give our daughters to Telangana youngsters. They said, we want Telangana girls to be our daughters-in-law. Yes, you definitely, you deserve. One of my young colleagues, whenever he sends emails, it seems he adds a tag, Dil Se. I congratulate our research scholars, Dil Se or Dimag Se. Till yesterday, we were busy. Because yesterday I did not find time. Especially, I want to thank our research scholars for making the seminar success. On our students, especially girl students, we hear about Swachha Bharat every day. But without any initiative, our students, there was a meeting in principal's office. I was coming back. They tied their chunnis to their waist and cleaned all in front of our department. I thank you very much for your initiative, and I hope you will keep the same spirit in future. Tungabalu said, Professor Vijay Kumar did not hold any post and he has a feeling. When a teacher is in hearts of the students, we don't need any posts on boards. His place is in our hearts. That is more than placing on boards. I always compare Professor Vijay. There is a comparison between me and Professor Vijay Kumar. People say when he occupies any position or responsibility is suitable. When I go, they say unsuitable. A few incidents I would like to tell now. When I was a research scholar, I was contesting as a research scholar general secretary. Some of my friends said, it doesn't suit you, don't go there. But I contested, I got elected, that is different story. When Professor Vijay Kumar became additional controller, they said, he is the right person for confidential section because he won't reveal anything to anybody. When I was opposed by additional controller examinations, some of our research scholars felt it doesn't suit to serve. Why? Because the spoken language is different there and the spoken language in the department, that will be different. Communication the students use in a examination is different and communication they use in department is different. But I did not face any problem there. Professor Vijay Kumar, when I was appointed Vice Principal of Hostels, The same thing they said, it doesn't suit him. One has to be different. He looks like a vegetarian. He's not suitable. I don't know what to mix, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. It doesn't suit. But somehow I managed. Especially when it comes to financial matters. Everybody preferred Professor Vijay Kumar. He was treasurer for OGA. When we went for some refresher course in Vizag, all of them, we contributed money and we gave. He was the financial minister for us. Then, whenever a financial matter comes, from non-teaching to teaching our students, they say, Vijay Kumar sir, Jabardast sir, financial matters. Then, one of the research scholars said, Khatarnak sir. Just last week, we were sitting in the head's room, myself and Dr. Linda. We were planning for the field training camp. There was some calculations or something. I think Dr. Linda did not trust me. Then she said, Professor, I call Professor Vijay Kumar, he's pakka. Yes, really, in financial matters, we learned many things. Three things I think we should remember. If a family is good, definitely country will be good. Professor Vijay Kumar's family, it is a disciplined family. We learn, and I think we need such families for development of a nation. I always remember, today, internationally, nationally, and statewide, President Obama, when in his first address, he said, America is not simply on the top of the world. People have worked a lot. That's why we are on top of the world. He praised their elders and their countrymen. Yes, because they worked hard, they are on the top of the world. Nationally, our Prime Minister always says, अगर आपका काम सीधा करते हैं, तो देश का contribution होगा, देश का सेवा करते हैं. If you take responsibility of your family, yes, you are contributing to the country. If you are doing your teacher's job, if you are doing perfectly, it is a contribution to the country, contribution to the nation. If you are an employee, if you are doing your job properly, it is a contribution to the nation. Yes, Professor Vijay Kumar's family, it is a contribution to the nation. And state-wise, our Chief Minister always says, Rakshasulaga pancheste daridramata hota. Yes, we'll have to work hard for sending away the daridram. And one more thing, Professor Vijay Kumar, we have full faith in him. Whenever all the heads, they were here, he took care of examinations. I used to call him controller of examinations. He was even, when I was vice principal, nobody said vice principal. But our office people, they wrote controller of examination in the records also. You would come at exactly 9:30, even if I come late. If other people don't turn up, he would go in the examination hall. He acted as invigilator. That's how he maintained all these years. Perfect examinations, conducting examinations perfectly, and sending the papers, everything related to the examinations. And one more thing, every 1 hour we used to ask him, controller T. Yes, the same smile. Still I remember, when we say, where is controller T? Then he said, we'll get it, you will see. That's how we work together. And I'm sure, I never saw fluctuation in his personality. Always uniform wavelength we say. Always uniform. I'm sure he'll lead a happy life even in future. With these few words, I congratulate Professor Vijay Kumar for successfully serving the university for 32 years, and our non-teaching friends. I always say we have the best non-teaching in the geology department. That's how it's reflecting today's function. So Balraj is an elderly figure. We don't have any complaint against them, anybody, especially for Satyanarayana. I always remember, once we went to Tirupati and field training camp, all students, they wanted to go up on foot. Because earlier it seems he had been to Tirumala on foot. He said, "Sir, Sachipadam sir, Nadskuta both." Still that feeling I remember. And then whenever he comes out, he salutes with one hand. One of my colleagues, he was coming from us. Is he from ex-serviceman? Yeah, is he ex-serviceman? He was asking. Because he salutes like a defense person. These two feelings I always remember. And they helped us a lot. I wish them a happy and peaceful retired life. Thank you very much.